talk about teaching your baby or toddler how to communicate with the use of sign language. Less tears and frustration and more communication. Now you may be wondering what the TOD in my channel name means. It means Teacher of the Deaf. And that's what I am. For the past 10 years, I've been a teacher of the deaf. I also teach sign language classes at the college and community level, and my brother is deaf. And I'm here today to help you communicate simple signs with your child. Are you ready? Teaching your hearing child sign language is not a bad thing. Why should we do it, do you ask? Well, here's a few reasons why. It promotes language development. Yeah, I said it. It promotes language development. While many are skeptical, your child will use a sign to help them communicate simple wants and needs. Once they're able to verbalize what they want and need, they drop the sign. Did you know the following facts? Infants and toddlers who use sign language may talk sooner. They may use more vocabulary and longer sentences. It's also useful for limiting frustration and miscommunication. And it provides emotional and social support. Children who can express their wants and needs tend to have fewer behaviors as well.
I had some magic of my own. It's my party and I'll cry if I want to, cry if I want to, cry if I want to. You would cry too.
That's right, fewer behaviors. Before we get started, here are a few things to remember. Consistency is key. When using sign language, use signs that relate with the child's daily routine and needs. Use the signs when talking with a young child. Babies will modify signs due to limited dexterity. So if you sign more and they sign more, that's fine. It's never too early to introduce signs. Around 6 to 8 months, kids connect sounds to words, and they notice that words have meaning. When you sign, say the word that it's used for. Remember, sign language is a bridge to verbal communication, so you need to use your voice and use spoken English and sign as well. Children learn through repetition. Patience is key. If you ask your child if you want more, make the sign for more, and do that a few times. If you're making the sign for an object, point to the object. If you're signing book and there's the book, you want to point to the book. That way they can connect the two. They can connect the object with the sign. Are you ready for fewer communication breakdowns, less tears, and frustration? If so, follow along to today's 10 signs that you can use with your child. Here is our first sign for today: milk. You're going to take your number 5 handshake on your dominant hand. You're going to bring your fingers together and you're going to squeeze them together, and your thumb is going to go over your fingers, kind of like you're making a fist. But you're going to gently move your fingers and your thumb back and forth. Milk. Sign number 2 is more. You're going to take both hands, put your fingers together, bend them gently to go on your thumb, and bring them together. More. Sign number 3 is finished. I'm going to have both of my hands, fingers are apart, palms are facing up. I'm going to flip them over so my palms are facing down. Finish. Sign number 4. I'm going to take my hand, put my fingers together, and bend my fingers on my thumb like I did for more. But this time I'm only going to use my dominant hand and I'm going to bring it towards my mouth. Eat or food. Sign number 5 for today is drink. I'm going to make a letter C handshake. I'm going to put my fingers together and my thumb is going to be on the bottom and they're going to be curved. I'm going to bring my thumb towards my chin and my fingers above my nose. Drink. Sign number 6 for today is want. I'm going to take both of my hands. I'm going to bend my fingers and bring them in towards my body. Want. Sign number 7 for today is cookie. I'm going to have my non-dominant hand, palm up, fingers out. I'm going to bring my fingers down in a claw shape. I'm going to bend them. I'm going to put my dominant hand on my non-dominant hand and move it left to right. Cookie. Sign number 8 is cracker. I'm going to bring out my non-dominant hand, have the arm stretch across my body, bring my fingers down to make a fish shape. I'm going to bring it in front of my body, and then I'm going to make the letter A. I'm going to bend my fingers on my dominant hand and put my thumb in front of my index finger and tap it gently on my elbow. Cracker. Sign number 9 for today is book. I'm going to bring my hands together, my fingers are touching, and I'm going to bring it outward to make the sign for book. So you can see my hands, and it resembles the pages. And sign number 10 for today is home. So just like more and just like food or eat, I'm going to put my fingers together, bend them and bring them to my thumb. I'm going to go from my chin to my earlobe. Home. If you liked checking out these 10 signs for today, be sure to click like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Have a great day.